Hello everyone, I'm really sorry for not posting videos for maybe over 2 weeks. Today I will be having a point of view video, POV, and night actually drive with the Mustang GT 2014. So let's start with my favorite part, actually starting the car and listening to the V8 engine starting. Alright, so after we start the car, we switch on the lights. Wow, I like this gauge color. As you can see, I make it red and green together. Putting on the seat belt, and let's start our point of view driving. I will remain silent and I will let you enjoy the point of view or night mode driving for Mustang GT 2014. By the way, this gauge color you can change actually. You can choose so many selection. However, I like the red gauge color with the green halo lights. Yeah, looks amazing in the night. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you like the video of night drive for Mustang GT, please like and subscribe, and please let me know in the comments if you want to see more videos, and I will be reading and will be following. Thank you so much and have a good day. Cheers, bye bye.